How to make gold foil banknote. First, use the breakdown rolling mill to roll the gold bar into a strip of approximately 5 mm. Then use the rolling mill to roll the gold strip into 0.1 mm gold sheets. Finally, use the 4 high finishing rolling mill to accurately roll the gold sheets to the required thickness. The thickness of gold foil banknotes is usually around 0.01 mm to 0.008 mm. Placing tissues between the gold sheets can prevent them from sticking to each other. Cut the gold sheets into appropriate length. Next, use manual or automatic sheet cutting machine to cut various specifications of gold foil sheets. Then weigh the cut gold foil sheets. Clean the surface of the gold foil sheet. Then place the gold foil sheet on the minting die for minting. Complete stamping and take out the gold foil banknote. Finally, pack the gold foil banknotes.